Guys, this is a great one for the end of the day, allowing the chest to open, undoing that compression you do the whole day, and just allow your body to melt and be easy. As you exhale, I want you to imagine that your body is just like a melting chocolate, draping over the cushion, draping over the floor. No tension in the shoulder, in the chest. Allow your breath to calm the nervous system. Inhale. Allow your breath to release any tension you have in your body. Just keep breathing here. If you have time, 30 seconds, 1 minute or more. And if you don't, let's come up into a sitting position. Coming up into a seated position.